So considering the requirement, we wanted to convert all the values into lowercase. Yes, that is possible. You can simply click on that and automatically this very first letter is converted to small letter. In fact, other if you have wherever sometimes you have in between also you have some capital letters. If you wanted to convert all of them once, it is very. Or else you wanted to convert everything into upper, simply convert into upper. You wanted to capitalize each word. You wanted to keep it back like earlier. It was the very first letter was capitalized. Right? Each word. Channel partners. You can see space partners. So the first letter is capitalized and format. And we got trim. So trim is again trim is something which is useful for you to remove leading and trailing white spaces from each cell in the selected column. So that means sometimes you have a data set where you have some leading space or trailing spaces, right? Before the actual text, you might have spaces, right? In that case, this is very handy. You can just click on this. Automatically, the leading and trailing spaces will be removed. And clean is something which is again important when you are dealing with non-printable characters. Okay, so what are non-printable characters? Whenever you are typing in text pad, notepad, right? When you click on enter or tab, space, right? All those are some characters which are invisible. So I'll give you an example. Let me find non-printable characters, I think, yeah. So what I'll do is, you will not able to see here, but rather I would Notepad plus plus. Yes, in simple Notepad you won't be seeing that. I have something called Notepad plus plus. Okay, well, let us open that here. Let me just open the same file, non-printable characters. So I just opened up. So here you can see the actual content is in the third line, right? And in the fifth line. And if you wanted to look at, like, go to view and show symbol, show all characters. Now you can see there are some extra characters are visible, which were not visible with, earlier case. So what it's showing is basically showing some space here, some control, some enter button. Basically, this is a non-printable character. It's an enter, right? Next line. Again, we have got next line, slash next line. But it was not visible when you are looking at normally. When you have opened that in the notepad, it was not visible. This control. So these are all non-printable characters. So sometimes, let's say I imported this same sheet, right? So let's go back to our desktop and just open up this text as my source, because that's a text, right? I can use non-printable characters. See, you're able to get all these new lines and all. So in this case, if you wanted to remove it, you can just go to this transform, click on format, click on clean. Basically, it will clean it up. So whatever strings that were there, those are gone, and now we have only blanks. Before, you can see there is some characters there. You can see there's one, two, some empty space. It's not actually empty, but it's non-printable character. So sometimes you wonder, like, even if you have data, when you filter here, you can see this invisible kind of a filter shows up, but it shows multiple times because it should not show, right? If it is the same value, it should show one, because that is different, this is different, right? Trimming the empty space, now the filter, yeah. So when you trim it off again, the empty trailing spaces are also gone. Now you only have blank. So this comes in handy whenever you wanted to use trim and clean together. Okay, so you can just play around with, because non-printable characters are sometimes too many in some data sets. Okay, in that case, this comes handy. Okay, but nowadays this is a new option, which is remove empty is coming. So this also kind of helps to kind of remove unwanted empty stuff. But before, if you are removing it empty stuff, still you can see, you don't see it going off. I just applied a remove empty, but again you need to trim it, so that now you can try apply remove. Now after trimming and after cleaning, and now you can remove empty, it is going. But even if you removed empty earlier, here in the previous step, I removed empty, but still nothing happened. So this step is important. You understand it when you deal with that kind of data, huge number. Okay, so yeah, this is all about format, trim, and clean. And then something we have called add prefix. Okay, add prefix, you wanted to add in name, like let's say Mr. You wanted to add something to your name, right? Sometimes you wanted to add Mr. or Mrs., right? Then in that case you wanted to use this. I'm just building up the customer table so that we have some similar data here. Okay, so prefix and suffix from format under so add prefix, add suffix. Simply we can add some prefix to our title, right? You wanted to add some doctorate, sometimes maybe you wanted to add prefix. You can just click on add prefix and say, what do you want to add? Maybe I wanted to add doctor space. Click on and say, simply we can add that particular data to all of this column. And similarly, you got something called middle name or something. You wanted to add a suffix. At the end, you wanted to add something. The same way, you can go to format, add suffix, Y, Z. As you can see, whatever suffix you add, the suffix will show up. So very simple formatting.